There is no AI model in the market which is called Claude AI, and it is direct competition to the ChatGPT. But unfortunately, it is only available in US and UK. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use that particular model or platform outside the US and UK. For simplicity, I'll be dividing this video in three simple sections. First section will be installing all required things. Second will be creating account, and third will be using the platform. Right now I'm going to explain this process on the Linux, but exact same process can be used for Windows too. So let's get continue to first point of the video. Now you want to open any browser. Right now I have Firefox browser, so that's why I'm opening the Firefox browser, and you need to type here Opera. So why we are using the Opera? Because Opera has an inbuilt VPN and which is completely free. That's why we are going to use Opera browser right here. So you need to click on any link. You can click on the first link or you can click on the second link. So let's click on the first link here. So once you go into the website, you will get something like this. And here, as you can see, it is showing Linux icon and then showing the download Opera button here. But if you are going through the Windows, then you will see Windows icon there and the download Opera button for Windows, right? So let me go ahead and click on this particular button, and as you can see, it has started the downloading of the file, right? So for Windows users, once this file is downloaded, the process is quite simple. You know how to install the software, right? So let's go to the download folder and double click on the Windows file, and you will get, and you can install Opera browser on your computer, right? For Linux user, this process is a little bit different. I will show you how this process is going to be. So once download is complete, as you can see right here, the download is complete. I need to go to the downloads folder, which I am already in. You can just go ahead and click on the downloads on the left hand, and you will be in downloads folder. Once you are in the downloads folder, you need to right click and open the terminal. And so once you are in the download folder, you need to type sudo dpkgi and the package name, and that will install our Opera browser that we are already downloaded. Once you hit enter, you will be asking for password because you are executing command as a sudo, so it will need a password. So let's type the password, right? So once you type the password, it will start unpacking the libraries and it will start installing the Opera browser, right? So right now it is being installed, and once it is installed, I will show you the further process. So right now, as you can see on the screen, this process of the installing is completely complete, right? So go ahead and open the menu icon and you can start the Opera browser. For Windows, you can just click on the shortcut icon of the Opera and you can open the Opera browser. Once the browser is open, here we need to do some settings, right? So look at the settings icon. As you can see, for me it's here. Once you click here, I will choose the dark mode because I prefer the dark mode. Next thing we need to do is we need to do VPN configuration, right? So we need to find the VPN settings here. So as you can see, this is the VPN setting, and once I click on it, it is showing me this alert box. You need to click on I understand, and once you click on it, you will see the enable VPN option right here. So you need to enable this VPN option, and there is another option in the list called connect to VPN when starting. You need to click on that too. And in the second line, there is a enable default search engine by bypassing the VPN. You need to turn that VPN option off, right? So yeah, that's pretty much all you need to do. So once you configure the VPN setting, next thing we need to do is open a new tab and search for Claude AI. So once you search, hit the enter and click the first link on the Google. It will take you to AI platform, right? So as you can see here, it is asking for email. Here you can use your original email, but I'm not going to use it. So I'm going to use another service called temp mail. So for this, I'm going to open another tab right here and I'm going to search for TEMP and mail. So this will give me a website which generates the temporary email address for creating accounts on various websites, right? So once website is open, as you can see, it is showing me my temporary email address. I can just copy this email address, go to the website and paste right here and click on continue with this particular email address, right? So once I click on the continue, it will send one login code to that particular email address. So I will go to the next tab and I will wait here for the email from Claude AI. So as you can see, the verification code is right here and the email has been arrived. Let me copy that verification code, go ahead on the Claude website and paste it right here and click on continue. So hence it is my first time on this particular platform. It will show me a little bit directions. And firstly it will ask for name. So I can just enter any name right here. I will click yes, I am over 18. I will click on agree, and as you can see, it is showing me some steps because it's first time on platform, right? So click on next, 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 and finish, and that's all. It is done. So now you can just start asking the questions right here. I will just pick the sample question from here and click on it, and as you can see, it is generating the answer in the code right here, right? So yeah, I think that's all. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next.